Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how you can update your YouTube application on your Android TV. So if you have YouTube application installed, you can simply go to the apps on the top of the screen and you should be able to locate Google Play Store right here and open Google Play Store. You can either search for YouTube application or you can go from the top right corner as well. So I'm going to search it. And as you can see, my YouTube is completely updated. If there was any update available, it will show up right next to the uninstall option. But as you can see, my YouTube is currently on the latest version. So if you wanted to, if there were any update, you could have seen it right here. So I hope it was helpful and it resolved your issue. Thank you so much for watching.